Alright, better.
Guys,
What's
I
that?
can't wait to drink this chocolate.
Alright, boom. We're back. And today, well, tonight's New Year's night. And we're gonna go in town and show you guys around. Yes, it's not me alone, it's me and the other half, which is ready for your big reveal.
We have no big reveal like a secret.
Secret. Yeah, so we're gonna go around, make some videos, see if we can get some cool shots, and then that's it. Maybe watch some fireworks if all goes well, and see what the new year brings. But for now, we're just getting ready. Well, I'm ready. You know, place is a mess, ready. So I'm not gonna show you guys, but I'm ready. Alright, so we choose a weird time to start because, you know, she's a bit sick. So her voice isn't quite there, but, you know, we have to make do and we have to do the work. Either way, it's your day or night. I hope I'm like that. It's your night.
Just like a birthday.
It's your night. Like your birthday or not. It's not your birthday, but it's your night to shine. So yeah. She's sick. Maybe corona. Maybe. Her voice is practically gone. Practically not there. Talk.
Holy.
Brother,
So like I'm a brother. Howdy. Howdy indeed. Howdy indeed. Yeah, so we're gonna see you guys in town. Nothing much is happening at home. Normally I just watch fireworks on the TV, but I'm gonna give in person a try this year. Hopefully I like it. If I do, I'll just make it a trend, but if not, we'll stick to the TV. Alright, time to hit the road. Let's go.
So much, you have so many horror supplies in your tent.
Horse fly. Let's go. Going at the street. Oh. Walk on. Shit. Take it back. You know what they say about Yarrow, I don't pass. Wait, are you really like? Yeah, I should go back over now. Yeah, no. Go take a photo and video. No, line to go over. In my line, I don't like to go over. Okay, what are you going to left turn? Right left turn. Well, someone does not drive. White people, but it's not over my taste.
Montego Bay, are you ready?
Today was a game.
We just walk the long way just to come back around.
Me too, me see no people. Yes, it's all booking me. Yeah, it's hard with the beside here.
Oh? Near the waterfront. They even put a fence there. Good. Alright, let me go take a walk. Going down and ditch the girls. Someone slow me down. Alright, we'll make my way back to the main entrance, or the main area, to the, what do you call it, you know, the stand, the stage. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the crowd. People annoy me, especially, what do you say? They're not teenagers, but they're near. Those are the worst in this area. To clarify, not all of them are like that, but these ones that I've seen here so far, that they're pretty annoying. If it's up to them, they ruin the experience. It's pretty lackluster.
And for those of you who are tuning in and feeling the spirit, we just want to send this one out to you. And so, and one more to be done now by produced by Damien Trinidad Mali for Third World. Most of you know that I'm the lead singer for the band, so watch out. If you're out there somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. So come on inside and tell me how you feeling. Tell me all about the burdens that you bear. They say good conversations can be healing. You're not alone, 'cause I'm still right here. Some folks got to go on their own journey. But if you ever wanna turn back, 'cause you're scared, sometimes even highways can be lonely. You're not alone, 'cause I'm still right here. So if you're out there somewhere feeling lonely, say what? You're not the only one. You're not the only one. Say what? If you're out there somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. Oh, tell me, I want you to sing with me. Something like this, say, if you're out there, you're not the only one. Sing it. If you're not the only one. You're not the only one. And don't forget yourself now. Been showing love for everyone else. Life can be a simple thing if only we could take the time to understand what's happening to you and me. Humanity. There's no way to complicate this right to get the best out so harmony. Love. And don't forget yourself now. Been showing love for everyone else. Yeah, before I go, just want to introduce a beautiful lady to help me share the rest of the year with you before we say goodbye to 2024. Yes. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing my ugly face. So, this is Tamara B, ladies and gentlemen.
It's all about you, all about you and I.
All right then.
It's all about you, all about me, and it's all about the two of us, the way we feel.
found where the fireworks will be setting off from. There it is. Kiddos. Alright, let me go back and find my company.
taste the wine. Everybody taste the
Are you live here? They kind of move because you don't want the flash to take longer for you. So if it's still like 5 seconds. Make nice.
we want to focus more on the sky and it
Yeah,
like
but me I do 2 something one time, that's why I make nice. That's nice. Hey, remember the last fire show when them spill out Jamaica 50?
or something.
I don't know, we have a couple more. Because you can walk from that end and then come this way.
Right here, but we have rice and fish.
Oh, they're cool.
There we go, we're going to go.
Ready chicken, ready chicken, ready chicken.
Welcome.
Sure, yeah, you want something. I'll let you say one word. Word pass.
We ended up buying jerk chicken from this lady after walking down the trip to buy pork and back. We didn't get the
I
pork.
don't know for them price standard. People with the pork. New Year's pork price. 15 bills.
A quarter.
A quarter. Not even half.
Let's see, I go to puberty.
Lad, how we are going to live with? You going to get it back in? New Year's, you going to get back in that, eh? Boy, if I only grow bag, you know what I mean? Gross not my bed. You can go buy your own bed and you can rent your own at the living room. Me and you, Batty, we use Batty. You better you get your bed. Back up here. Gross. Them light here mess with me.
Let's see.
I'm not sure about me. It look like a beer grill. It look like a lock. It look lock. You probably just locked it. Look, well. Yeah. That's why people get cars.
I mean, this today buy pork and it's there.
Cost so much money. Alright guys, this is it. I'm gonna wrap the video up right now. So like, comment, share, subscribe of course. And see you in the next one. Well, finally home. Stars and whatever.